I'd like to move on, sure and easy, like a cat creeps through the grass. And the foreman seems to know me, 'cause I found myself at last. And I'm a full-grown boy, and there's laughter on the hillside from voices far away. How am I gonna tell her that I love her when this might not be the day? And I'm a full-grown boy, yeah. My mind floats away, yeah. And I'm changing every day. Can you see her in the firelight? Hear how soft and low she sings. How am I gonna tell her that I love her when words don't mean a thing? And I'm a full-grown boy. Hey there, folks. Going to be a guitar lesson for Full-Grown Boy by Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers, of course, off the Hypnotic Eye album. This is a song that sounds like no other Tom Petty song. It's really mellow. It's really groovy. I really like it. And again, it's just something so different for Tom. So Full-Grown Boy, let's just get into this. I'm really excited to teach this one. Again, this is an electric guitar song, but I'm playing on acoustic guitar. I have the guitar in standard tuning. I'm not using a capo. I'm going to start with a D minor. So just kind of... So instead of playing an open D minor, a regular D minor, which you could play, I'm just going to slide it up to the 5th fret. You can play a full bar chord if you want, but I'm just going to kind of play the bottom 4 strings. Kind of downstroke. I'd like to move on, sure and easy, to a G minor. So you could play a full bar chord at the 3rd fret. I'm just playing kind of the bottom 4 or 5 strings on a G minor. Back to D minor. And if you happen to hit the open A, that's fine. A D minor over A, that sounds very nice. So you can add that if you want. Back to G minor. Now we're going to go up to a B flat, playing that barred on the 6th fret, B flat to an A minor 7th, that's at the 5th fret barred, back to D minor. Now we have this little descending pattern, so I'm going to take that D minor, the way I do it, I just move that D minor down to a regular D minor, and start with the D, the open 4th string, a little descending bass run here. We've got D, C, open A, gonna grab the F with my thumb on the top string, low E string, the 1st fret, the F, and I'm gonna go up to a G, and I'm gonna play a G minor at the bar, a bar chord G minor at the 3rd fret, and then quick slide from the F back to G, and then goes up to a A minor 7th. So I'll do that part again. This is, I guess, the tricky part, we'd say. So you're in a D minor here. 'Cause I found D, C, A, F, G, F, G, to an A minor 7th 3 times. Yay! The only other part, you go to G minor back. Yay! My mind floats away. D minor, back to G minor. Then you're going to go up to the A minor 7th again 3 times. And go back into the D minor. And that's it, folks. We're going to keep this nice, short, and sweet. It's a beautiful song, as I said, very unlike most Tom Petty songs. I'm sure a lot of people wouldn't even recognize this as a Tom Petty song. Definitely check out the album. I can't do this justice on my acoustic guitar, but check out the cool mood the Heartbreakers are giving this on Hypnotic Eye. A fantastic album if you don't know it. I think it was released in 2014, so, a very late Tom Petty recording. Thank you, folks, for watching. I really appreciate it. This was another Saturday Night with Tom Petty on the Judge Timbers channel. I'll see you all soon with another lesson. Take care.